Hello everybody, today we will see another lab which is called SQL Injection Union Attack, retrieving the data from other tables. This lab contains a SQL injection vulnerability in the product category filter. The results from the query are written in the application's response, so you can use a union attack to retrieve the data from other tables. To construct such an attack, you need to combine some of the techniques you learned in the previous lab. The database contains a different table called users with columns called username and password. To solve the lab, perform SQL injection union attack that retrieves all the username and password and use the information to log in as the administrator. Alright, click on access the lab. I've already done this, but we'll try to do it again. Click on gifts. Remember the browser which we are using is the default browser offered by Pursuit, right? Entering the SQL character here to check which kind of error do we encounter. We've got an internal server error. It's okay. Now we'll go to the burp suite. I'll go to the proxy and I'll be choosing the request, right? I'll send this to the repeater. I'm in the repeater now. I'll enter the SQL character here to check the error again. Then union select null null, right? And then double dash. What are we trying to check? We are trying to check the number of number of columns which are available. I'll do the URL encoding with Control U and click on send. It tells us that we have two columns. Now we need to check if we have the third also available. Click on send. No, it's giving 500 internal server error. What does it tell us? That we only have two columns. Click on send. Now we have got a 200 OK response. I'll minimize this. I'll go to the page. The database contains a different table called user with columns called username and password. So I'll copy this. Instead of null, I'll try putting username, and instead of this null, I'll try putting password. Both the things in the single quote and click on send. We've got a 200 OK response, which tells us that one column is of username and one column is of passwords. Alright. Now, what do we want to do? The database contains a different table called users, right? So, for that, we'll be using from. I'll delete this entire thing. Union select username comma password from users. I'll select this entire thing, Control U, click on send. It has given us a 200 OK response, which tells we might have found the username and password. Scroll down. Do we have something like this? Yeah, we've got the username as password, administrator, and the password. I'll copy this administrator. I will go to. Oh, we accessed the lab, right? I'll press back. I'll go to my account. I'll put the username here and then the password. So the password is this. Copy. And the password, we'll paste it. Congratulations, you've solved the lab. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.